Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 Lariat with a 501A package. Now the exterior is a two-tone with the Oxford white and a white gold on bottom. And under the hood we have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps, as well as our dual fog lamps in the front. And over at this side we have our 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Goodyear tires and our Ford OEM running boards. We also have our trailer and tow mirrors, which include the chrome cap on top, and they also have the color matched door handles. And at the rear we have our privacy tinted windows. At the rear we have our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as our 4 and 7 pin trailer connection with our trailer hitch. And we also have our tailgate step located inside our tailgate, and inside the box we have a spray liner and a soft tongue cover on top. And at the rear window we have an embedded defroster with the power sliding feature. At the interior we have tons of driver friendly features, including lots of door storage, as well as power locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors with the foldable option, as well as the extendable option. As we get into the interior, the driver and passenger can enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, and the driver can enjoy 2 memory options. And as you look at our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial with our foot pedal adjustment switch. And at the steering wheel, we have our information trackpad on the left, as well as our cruise control settings. Over to the right, we have our hands-free and volume controls. Now as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights, and another cabin light in the rear. As we look ahead, we have our touchscreen display, which includes phone connectivity, entertainment, and climate control, as well as an information system. Down below, we have our settings for our display, and underneath we have our dual climate control area, which also includes heated seats on our display for the driver and passenger. And over to the left, we have the 4-wheel drive engagement, and we have the trailer brake system underneath. And over to the right, we have our 12-volt adapter. And as we look at our center console, we can fold it up for a 6th seat, or we can keep it down for 2 extra cup holders and storage underneath. As we enter the rear, passengers can have tons of door storage, as well as power window option, more storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And inside the rear of the center console, we have our dual cup holders and a 12-volt adapter underneath. And in the rear, we have our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, which gives us tons of legroom, as well as lots of headspace to fit 3 passengers comfortably. And when there's nobody sitting in the center, we can fold down our centerpiece for more arm support and 2 extra cup holders. If there are any more questions about this beautiful F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would like to take the time here to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.